442. Okay, there you go. There you go. We got it. 442, 445. Oh my god, I love my nails and my eyelashes. And getting rid of all the things that we don't need anymore. Just like relationships. How many times did I do that in my life? I think so many times already. Yeah. So 4:45. My god. I don't know where I'm at right now. I think I'm lost. 4:42. Okay, there you go. There you go. We got it. 4:42, 4:45. All right, so I'm going to text her. I think this one. Okay, so let's go and. All right, so I'm just gonna message her. I'm gonna wear my mask because this is the protocol here in Alberta. Okay guys, so we're here at the back alley and we're waiting for Isa to show up because she told me that the boxes are inside the garage. It's way better for me to park right here so I can easily put the boxes inside of my trunk. I'm literally waiting here for her because I'm late. It's my fault. Because the road was too bad. So while waiting for her, so I'm gonna give you 5 tips to organize yourself in moving to a new place. Are you ready? Okay, so tip number 1. Oh shit, she's already here. Give me 1 second. Which one do you think is the garage that she's gonna open? That far end? This one? This one? Or this one? Let's see. I'm guessing this one. I'm really not familiar here. And I'm not even using my seatbelt. Don't do this because I don't have a seatbelt. Okay, so I think I saw her. This is correct. Oh my god, I just need smooth. Look at it. Okay, so we're here. Okay guys, so now I'm all set. I got all the boxes that I need. And look at the back of my car. It's all full. And even my front seat. So I'm so happy that I got all the boxes. It's full. My car is full, even the front seat. Oh my god, thank you Isa. And I'm all ready to pack all my stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you something. So if you're single like me and you don't have any family or kids yet, so it's way cheaper to transfer from one place to the other using your car. If you're moving with a family or with kids or with furnitures, then you can hire a U-Haul trailer, or you can rent a U-Haul trailer, or you can hire movers to help you out move your stuff. But if you're like me, like a single person, no family, no kids yet, no pets, then might as well use the car because it's way cheaper. Plus, it makes sense to rent a U-Haul trailer or hire movers to help you out move your stuff to the new house or to the new place. All right, so finally we're home. It's 6 o'clock now and I feel hungry. I'm so excited to get everything done because it's so stressful to think that you're gonna transfer from one place to the other and pack and unpack. Oh my god, that's not really my kind of thing. I love packing, but I don't like unpacking. Like if I go somewhere, if I travel somewhere, and I get excited whenever I pack my stuff, but unpacking, it's different. I think it will take 2 or 3 days before I'll unpack everything. But I always separate my my dirty clothes and I gotta put it right away in the laundry, except some of the clean stuff, so it will take 2 to 3 days before it will be unpacked. Anyway, so we're here. We're going to drop all these boxes off at inside the garage. And oh my god, I love my nails and my eyelashes. Oh, I love my nails. And I am so excited to drop all these boxes inside the garage because I am so hungry. I've been starving since 4:30 this afternoon and it's already 6:39 in the evening here. So it's time for me to get something to eat. But first of all, I'm going to give you 5 tips in order for you to organize yourself in moving to a different place or moving to a different house. So rule number 1, make a plan. Okay, making a plan is actually a huge responsibility. Moving is a big plan. It's not just a plan, but it's a job. So it is important to plan ahead in order for us to organize our life. In order for us to, to know where to get the boxes, packing all our stuff, plus getting rid of all the stuff that we don't need anymore, just like relationships, Anyway, and in order for us to know when are we going to move to a new place, it's way better and make your life easier. It is very vital for us to plan first to help us stay focused in achieving our goals. Remember that we are achiever. #Baskugan. #alert lang mga langga. If you know Christina, what's her name? Christina Martino? Okay, give me 1 second. Let me just take a look at it. She's on Facebook. Oh my God, I've been following her for 2016. 2016, I think it's almost 4 years. She's the realest person I know, and if you speak Ilongga and Bisaya, she could also understand, which is our Filipino language, is our dialect. I like her so much. Hi, Christina. Anyway, so rule number 2, getting boxes. I know here in Canada, it's very easy to get a box from Home Depot or any other companies where you can buy only for $1 or $2. It depends on the size of your box. But that's not a goal, guys. The goal is to get a cheap price or free as much as possible, because guys, moving is very expensive and it's not a joke. It's really expensive because you have to start from scratch. You have to pack and unpack. How many times did I do that in my life? I think so many times already. Yeah, I don't know. It's very expensive. It will cost you a fortune. So we need to take advantage of that freebies, because who doesn't like freebies? Of course I like free. I love free. Rule number 3, ask friends or post it on social medias. Like, take advantage of all the resources you have in front of you. Just like what I did. I posted mine online on IG in order for me to get free boxes. This is the best time to say yes to your friends if they offer help, because you have to keep that in mind, that you have a mission to accomplish and you have to finish the goal as much as possible. So I'd like to say thank you to all of my friends who DM me where to get boxes, and to Isa for all of these boxes. I have so many boxes right now, and to Paul, you guys are the best. Paul is giving me boxes as well. I think I have enough boxes. So yeah, take advantage of all these resources, because you're trying to save as much as possible. Rule number 4, getting your budgets straight. If you're moving with a family, with kids, or with so much furniture, you might gonna consider hiring movers, or you might gonna consider renting a U-Haul truck or a U-Haul trailer, because it will make your life easier and less stress, less worried if your furniture is gonna get scratched or something, like whatever. But if you're moving alone, just like me, being an immigrant here in a foreign country, you can do it, girl. As long as you're aware of your timeline, as long as you organize your stuff. I've done that when I moved here in Calgary from Fort McMurray. So you can do it, girl. Rule number 5, set up a date. So you need to set up a date when you're going to move out and move into a new place. Here's why. Because you have to clean both places. You have to clean the old and the new one. So for me, if you're an OC person, I'm not an OC, but I'd rather clean it myself. budget wise, I'd rather clean it myself in order for me to know that it's really clean. Like, unless you have money to hire somebody to clean it for you. But if you're like me on a budget, you can clean it yourself. As long as you have cleaning materials, I think you're all set. You can save up money for cleaning. Plus, it feels good when you clean it yourself because you accomplished something, and saving up money, like, that's a huge difference. I think those are my top 5 rules to help me organize myself in moving to a new place. And I'm so excited. And if you have any questions or suggestions, just don't forget to comment down below, and I will respond to you as soon as I can. So it's time for me to say bye-bye, Shao. I'm gonna get something to eat because I'm hungry, and I'll see you next time. Bye!